Hey, Scott from Lehman's. 2018 Pacifica. It's a pre-owned. It's got 20,000 miles on it. This is billet silver. This is a nice car. Got the beige interior on it with the cocoa dash. Tires are in great shape. Got power sliders on it. Tinted glass, of course. Got backup sensors and a camera. Let me show you more about it. Got power sliders on both doors. There's the lighter in color interior in it with stow. This is a 7-passenger. Back seats laid down, so it does have full floor mats in it. Doesn't smell like smoke. This car has the video on the back of the screens. That's a nice car. Does have the 8.4 radio, AM, FM, satellite radio on it. It says heated seats and heated steering wheel. Navigation, of course. It does have the home theater system in it. So it has Uconnect theater. Car's got 20,500 miles on it. Cruise control, of course. Bluetooth for the phone. Automatic headlights. It's a nice one. Call me on it.
Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Lehman's in Molten, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.